One red book. A, D, analysis book, 16 columns.
Ye nasoma idinga tebazira. Yawo simanyi obaziriwa. Ngani? Okola ngani?
What we are doing, we are not interviewing.
Temulina ma license.
We are not.
Try to have a license. But to have a license. Only that. But to have a license. Man lending license. They didn't.
In the name of Agassia, Caroline.
Operating a business, the money. Just last year. That's when I finished. It was this very year. Diploma, my diploma was of last year. My degree, it is of this year. I have everything. Kampala University. Kampala, I have them. Because we have identified the gap. License. They are operating them illegally. They are very made like nothing.
So you are going to give them license?
No. What's the message? What's the message?
Stand up.
It is okay. No problem.
Stand up. Where?
License.
Going in a chronological order.
It is okay, no problem. Wala banaka nibama nolendanga. Bona balakwa wali balina sent. Naye kintu kiti government event. They are operating it illegally. Naye mwenyini ne bakimanyi buli muntu akola just 2 million ngateeka because we identify the gap. Wala tutegedde ekituvu ndi kano waliwo gap.
Majoka.
Lero akwate tetulina wentu tegala application tebatuwa mirimu. But we know. Sina bribe facilitation mafuta.
Okay. Musa na twala.
Musa meza kwa semester no kwa document ezo tubali sugura ki. Baba de bazisigning ngako. Abade tuba.
Mark them.
Document ze stuff ze.
Manne.
Holding a statement of Parliament Library, pure Kampala.
Chiyo Moses.
You are done, is it?
Yes, I'm done.
Don't you have a license? Where are license?
Ene Kabagambe Geoffrey. Badawo kumacha. Omukozi nankubira esimu nangamba waliwo abaze nga baneetaaga kati kwe kubuuza baani bangamba mbu bava mu kitongole kya Umra nimbabuuza baagala ki bangamba bali kwagala license nenjigira nimugamba abaana gibalage gibawe najayo nabaga naye awo mwabo nga bakolesa akavuyo kangi nebagala nga bagamba nti baagala miliyoni 10 oba sekyo bagaliwo business office yo office emwe yange mbadde sinagira mbadde nakajugulawo wiki wedde mabega nga ndikwagala kugira ndikuleta license kati awo nawo webagize ne bakola ki ne bafunza omwana okakana ne bamujako miliyoni 5 naye nga byabufe nange kyenakoze ne nkuba esimu direct mu Umra ne mbagamba wali operation gye musindise eno eze ne bangamba nedda ne mbagamba waliwo eze wano ne bajeeko omwana wange esente miliyoni 5 kani ne bangamba bali motoka kinenje bagamba bali mu Harrier je baliko UH 006-A ne bangamba nedda eyafe ya government kwabadde abasirikale ne mbagamba nedda nagamba bakubye ne bangamba ne kyetukwama magezi funanye engeri gyoyinza bakwata kuba jo babye ne kayunga bwe batyo nga berimbika mu linnya lyaffe kati awo nawo kwe kubanoonya ne reporting police era ne babakwata ekyanyambye nakubye mu umra direct esimu nabo ne basindika basirikayo baabo ne lawyer ne bajja era ensonga ne batubizikwasa police.
My name is Edmond Okiror Okwi, I'm a legal officer at Uganda Microfinance Regulatory Authority. Why I'm here is because of a tip-off. We had a tip-off of individuals who were purporting to be officials of Uganda Microfinance Regulatory Authority, and they had indicated that they are under doing a supervision and following up on institutions as required. However, yesterday in Kayunga, they had actually done a lot of injustice there. So when they called me in Kayunga, I tried to follow up and see how they end up. And today, when I got communication that they are in Jinja, I instructed that they track them down and have them arrested. And indeed, the cooperation with the individuals was good, and the police here were able to have them arrested from jail, and they are right now in custody because they are purporting to act on our behalf, yet they are not even officials of Uganda Microfinance Regulatory Authority.
What did you find out they were doing?
What they were doing, they would enter the offices, let them know that we are from Umra, and then they would do, and then they would eventually say that you don't have a license or you have not renewed your license, and they would demand for money from them, so as they they could let them off the hook.
Are they only four or it's a gang?
I presume it is now a gang because this is not the first incident we have received that we are following up.